What's going on, folks? It's your boy Snkrs Junkie, back at you with another quick video. Happy Black Friday to you. Yes, it's Black Friday, and your boy is out here about to chase sneakers. Got a few raffles I won early in the morning, so I'm trying to get out here to the mall. It's about a 45-minute drive. Get out to the mall early before the crowd hit. It's like I got 5:06 in the a.m. Mall opens at 6, so by the time I get there, should be opening. But I get these Jordan 1 Retros Bloodline. I've won 3 today, so we're gonna pick up all 3. They may be bricks, but cop is a cop. And I always like to think that maybe because I cop, somebody else did it, so I'm always making my dough. All right, so let's take this trip. Let's get out there. Let's make it happen. Depetti. Get in there. Seatbelt for safety. Alright, so let's see how far we gotta travel. Shoe Palace. So Shoe Palace, and there it is, Carlsbad. So that's our route. 47 minutes, about right. So we'll get there right about 6 a.m. They said they open up at 6, so let's hit it. Depetti. So let's find us a good spot. I see there's already another Tesla right here, so we're gonna park next to this Tesla, and then let's put this bad boy in reverse. Make sure we're in these lines. There you have it. We here. Let's get it. Alright, so it's like super early. Couple minutes to 6. We made it. A few stores is like open and selling stuff. I ain't never been to the mall when it's this early, so stores it's a few shots down, and we're gonna go check them out. Let's check it out. All right, since I'm literally like a few minutes early, there's a couple other shoe stores here at the mall, so let's go check them out. Let's go see what they talking about. I thought Snkrs would be open. What time you guys open today? He's like, I don't even know. I thought Snkrs would be open for sure. Wow, that's a first. All right, it is what it is. No worries. Well, since Snkrs wasn't open, we're just gonna head back up to Shoe Palace. Depetti. So your boy just picked up the ones, and bruh. People funny, bruh, when it comes to these sneakers, bruh. So I'm in there, when I walk in, I don't just walk in and be like, I'm here to pick up. I'm looking at other shoes. I walk in just like a regular dude that I am. I get in there, bruh. He was like, all right, let me go check. He go check. And he's like, oh man, they don't release today. They release tomorrow. Fuck you be they release tomorrow, bro. Today the 29th. I got a call Wednesday. And old boy was like, old girl called me. She said we're releasing them Friday morning, the 29th, Black Friday, 6 a.m. So bet. So I'm getting there. Hey yo, shout out to you, cause you out here early. She out here early.
So early.
Making it happen.
What are you doing your video for?
Sneakers.
Oh,
yeah,
nice.
For sure.
Have a great day.
You too, thank you. Yo, she's out here early, getting it in. Hey, so anywho, I told boy, I walk in, I look at a few sneakers, cause I'm a sneaker guy. I walk in, look at a few sneakers. He had a couple customers already waiting. So I get up there. I'm like, oh, okay, all right, I'm here to pick up some sneakers. The Bloodline. She's like, oh, the ones. Like, yeah. She's like, all right, let me go get them. So he walk in the back, right? He come back out like a minute later, whatnot. He's like, oh, they don't even release today, bro. They release tomorrow. I'm like, on Saturday? I said, you mean to tell me you're releasing the day after Nike themselves are releasing them, bruh? I was like, come on, man. I said, let me check your website. He's like, oh, I'm gonna check too. Bruh. Triv. So anywho, watch these sales associates, bro, because I wear money size. I wear 9.5. Check folks, bro. Check folks. So we got them. Let's see, we about 45 minutes from the crib. I got 2 more spots to hit. Again, they may be bricks. That's cool, but I get joy and satisfaction out of getting W's. So just because I got them don't mean everybody got them. So somebody gonna buy them. That's the beauty. And if not, here's the kicker. You can always return them. 100% refund. So anywho, it's your boy Snkrs Junkie. I'm about to get in a car and about to head back up north to the crib. I'll actually head to the other mall. See, because I don't know what time the other mall even open. We're gonna see what happens. You know what? I literally just thought of something. I didn't even check the box. That's sad. You gotta actually do that. I didn't check the box because when he was ringing them up, he had the size and everything facing him and not me. So let me pull over here. Let me check the box and the size, bruh. Cause you know, I don't even trust old boy, man. This is sad. So let me pull over here, man, and get this pair of shoes and see what we working with. All right, let's see, man. Cause like I said, I didn't even check, man. Oh, here I go with this one hand shit. Let's see. Oh, come out. Okay, 9.5. I had to make sure. I'm like 10 minutes away from the mall, so I had to make sure. Okay, they legit. They in there. It's official. One of the beauties I love about my mall, I call it my mall because I live in the area, is that when I'm here shopping, right, and then of course I drive a Tesla, you know, battery's a little low, I can plug in. So we're gonna go up in here and we're gonna get this battery charged while we shop. I don't even know if the stores are even open. I just figured they are, since it's the mall. Depetti. Level 3, yep, I already see the chargers. So we can go ahead, like I said, even if the stores are open or not, we're definitely gonna charge this battery. So we got a car there, we got several stalls. Let's reverse this bad boy in here, get it plugged in. All right, it's hella loud out here. So I'm at my mall, Temecula. The store isn't open until 8. I've probably been here for like 20 minutes. Probably got like another 10 minutes. My car just finished charging. So with Tesla, once it's completed charging, you have like, I think 10 minutes to get back to it before they charge you. So I'm just trying to get back to it real quick. Unplug it, move it. I'm still debating on getting these size 8 and size 9 because they're really bricks right now. I mean, they bricking hard, you know, so trying to figure that out, you know. Oh, thanks, brother. Wait on this brother right here across the street. But yeah, so I don't know, I'm debating. We'll see. I got plenty of time to make up my mind. I'm trying to watch the market, StockX that is, and see what they're doing. Right now they're $10 over retail. Obviously with the internet tax and fees, you kind of losing. So, but we'll see. You can still get them on Nike website right now. which kind of sucks. You can get all the sizes except for 8 and 8.5. Those sold out immediately. So if I do get a pair or a second pair, I'll probably get the 8 just because they're already sold out on Nike's website. But I was trying to see what Foot Locker's, hit up the apps real quick, Foot Locker and Champs, see how they did there. But I got a notification saying my car was done. So here we are. All right, so like I said, I'm just debating if I want to cop. Let me put my seatbelt on. The 8, I already got the 9.5. I probably won't cop the 9, just because it's still available on Nike's website. But let's move the car and then go down back to the mall, see what happens. All right, so I'm about to park here. I'm trying to get this spot close as possible. I saw this car coming out and boom, they just moved. I was just waiting on them. Let me hit it in reverse real quick. So what I want to do is, I want to see what's going to happen on these sizes real quick. So cars in park. So I want to see what's going to happen on this size 8. So let me look it up and show you what I'm talking about. All right, so after doing further research, the size 8 and the size 9 are not worth even buying at this point. I checked the foot sites, I checked StockX, so I come to the conclusion that they're not even worth me spending the money up front to hold just to see if they would go up a little bit. And I say they're not worth it for the simple fact that you can still go to Nike. At first, Nike has said they were sold out, size 8, size 8.5, size 9. But as I went back to Nike's website or Nike sneaker app, they were still available. I even went to Foot Locker app itself, every size was still available. So at this point, as much as I enjoy the satisfaction of taking W's, at this point, after doing research, they're just not worth it. It's an hour after they drop, an hour and 7 minutes after they already dropped, and they're all still available. So for me, they're not worth it. But I did cop my 9.5 because I wear a 9.5. Will I wear them? Probably not. But I'm trying to build up my sneaker game again. All right, so our journey has come to an end on this Black Friday morning. Your boy been going for about 3 hours. It's currently 8:09 in the a.m. I'm gonna stop by Starbucks and get some medicine balls because my family, we love them. They're good for you in this kind of cold weather. But yeah, so it's still a successful day. It's been a early morning. I try to get in and get out, you know what I mean, before the crowd, especially on Black Friday. But let's go and get these medicine balls from Starbucks. All right, got my drinks. Didn't know I was buying 4, but wife was like, yeah, we need 4 drinks all the way around. So let's get it. Well, all right, folks, there it is. Your boy made it home. Good journey. We only copped the 1 pair, which is fine. Like I said, I love winning, but sometimes, you know, you got to think business-wise. So it wasn't smart business ethics to purchase a size 8 and a size 9. So anywho, it's your boy Snkrs Junkie. I hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, and share to this channel. On top of that, I'm building a Snkrs Junkie Academy. Yes, you heard right, where I show you the fundamentals, the techniques, the steps that I use to enhance my copying skills. And on top of that, I'll show you how to become a better reseller if you're a reseller like myself. So anywho, it's your boy Snkrs Junkie, people, and I'm out.